So very clearly, who do you help? That's number one. So if you're not clear on that, take a second right now and write down who you help. Who do you help? What's difficult about the, as you do this exercise, what's difficult about this is in our brain right now, because I can see inside each of your brain, what's going through there is I don't want to leave anyone out. True? Nods? Yes? True? I don't want to leave anyone out. I don't want to leave someone out in case that's the person that wants to come with me. But the truth of the matter is the opposite's going to happen. The more general you are, the more difficult it is for people to understand what you do, to refer to you. It's much better to be very clear about who you help. And the more specific, the better. Because here's what I know about people. People are smart. And if you say, I help athletes with back pain, I'm also going to ask you, I have a hip problem. Do you help that as well? And your answer is, yeah, of course. So you have to trust that I'm smart enough to ask if you're going to help something else. But if you say, I help people with all kinds of orthopedic injuries, in my brain, that sounds great. I'm going to find someone that can help me with my back pain or help me with my hip pain. I want to find a specialist. Because don't we all want that? Don't we all just want a specialist? We want someone very specific that can help our problem. And because we don't know, the people we're talking to don't know all this stuff that we know. I mean, it would just be easier if they could just get inside our brain. But because they can't, we have to make it as easy as possible for them to clearly wrap their head around what we do and who we serve. Then take it from there.